Long story short, I'm in Saskatchewan. I am the type of person that is absolutely going to make the best of my time. You know, like even if you have to travel for medical stuff or funerals, whatever. While other people are visiting, I headed out to Dollar Tree. Actually, lie. I headed out to the thrift store. I passed Dollar Tree on the way. So what did I do? I went in, of course. The sad news is I only have a carry-on on the plane that I'm taking. And it was full on the way here. So I really have no room. But I grabbed this bag of stuff that I just could not resist. Like, you guys, people who live in places where there's a Dollar Tree or a Dollarama, you seriously have no idea how lucky you are. I live in a town where the dollar store, the average price is probably $4 or $5 for something at the dollar store. And I'm not exaggerating. I've priced things out and it's usually twice the price as things at Dollarama. Small town, northern BC living, that's what we get. We have other perks, I suppose, like mountains, although this beautiful blue sky is just stunning. And the sun, even though it's chilly and my hand's freezing. Not sure how much time I have left before I'm gonna get picked up. But I'll show you what I found in Dollar Tree. And let's see if I can make it to the thrift store. You guys, I shouldn't even be going into these stores because once I go in, I can't say no, like zero self-control. I only bought a couple things, but still, like, how am I gonna fit this in my luggage? I don't even know. Come see what I got. Okay, that's it for the Warman thrift store, and then we ended up going to Watson, and I thought it was funny because the name of the thrift store, New to You, is the same as in Smithers where I live. So anyways, we went in that thrift store. I didn't take any video, but I got a few things which I will show you soon. Is this the world's largest Santa? Home of the original Santa Claus Day. We took in some of the Santa Claus Day activities and it was really fun. And then we had some family affairs to attend to. And this was our drive on the way back to the city. We had the most beautiful sunset. Okay, I am home. I've never been happier to be home. I was so pumped to put my slippers on. I love these glare-ups. I bought them with my own money, not sponsored or anything, but they are my favorite. I'm gonna show you my thrift haul and my Dollarama haul and Dollar Tree. And by haul, I mean it's not really that much because I was traveling with a carry-on only, so I was pretty limited. Dollar Tree, I got these two little stuffies. My daughter loves sloths. They were $1.50 or $25 each. I forget what everything is. I got this snow globe thing. This is to make a snow globe. And these little trees to go in it, and I wasn't really sure about the mushrooms, but they were just so cute I had to grab them, and I really like the stars, so I grabbed them too. Some more mitts because you can never have enough of those. $1.50 Kinder Surprise for, you know, the sock. Also went to Dollarama a few days later and I got some more things for the sock, paintbrushes, and I got a whole bunch more of these little houses that I'm going to use for a project. I love these little wooden houses. They're so cute. Thought this was a really good deal, $5 for Lego. The forklift. My son was playing with a forklift at his daycare the other day and he just absolutely loved it, and we do not have a forklift at home, so he's gonna love that. Glitter glue sticks, because what 9-year-old doesn't want glitter glue sticks? Little things I thought would be good in the snow globes. That is it for Dollarama. And here's what I got thrifting. I went to a few different thrift stores, actually 3 different thrift stores. So it was really fun. Got this brass bell for $1. It's so cute. And I was gonna sell it, but I think I'm gonna keep it for like a dinner bell at home. This copper cauldron for 50 cents, copper and brass. Plan to flip this, so stay tuned for that. Got these baskets, all 10 cents each. There's 5 of them. This one's needs a good cleaning. I got these 2 baskets for 50 cents each. They're small but perfect for wall hangings. Got this tin with the lid in excellent condition for $5. It says Vancouver, BC on it. It even has the price tag $2.25, $2.21. So that's an oldie, really cool. I think I'm gonna flip this. I actually would really love to keep it, but you know, I can't be a hoarder, right? So there's that. I got this t-shirt for $3. Hard Pressed is a Saskatchewan company, and it says SK for Saskatchewan, Canada, and I got that for my daughter. I think she's really gonna love it. I also got my daughter this book. It's an Usborne cooking book. It was 50 cents. And I love that it shows how to cook, so she can follow it along with all of the steps and easy to read instructions. My little guy, this book, he loves the little critter books, and I thought this was perfect. It says Just Me and My Mom. It's in excellent condition, barely used, 50 cents. And these straws I got for a craft project, so stay tuned on Instagram for that. I'm sitting on the floor here because my suitcase is a mess. I gotta get all this stuff tucked away before my kids get home. And oh, one last thing. So we went to this Santa Day in Watson, Saskatchewan, and apparently it's a big thing. I can't remember. My sister-in-law's mom told me it's like 50 years or 90 years, or anyways, I should probably find out the actual number. It's been going on for a lot of years. It's a big event in town around Christmas time, and they have lots of stores and businesses participate, all different activities. And the drugstore does grab bags, so you can get a brown paper bag. You pay $5, and it's all closed. You don't know what's in it, and it's kind of this fun thing that a tradition for them that they do every year. So I was excited to be able to participate this year, and I paid for my $5 grab bag, and I got these dish covers. that I'm actually really excited about. I'm gonna put in my sock, and this bug net is really cool. I'll probably put that in the sock too. And then I did get some foundation that was like $16 that I'm probably gonna use. There was a few other things in there like men's nair and a couple random things like that I left behind. One really cool thing that they had at the drugstore that I bought for my little one is this ornament. I thought it was so cute. I've never seen anything like it, and it was really reasonably priced. So I picked that up for him, and now I just got to find a special ornament for my daughter, and we're in pretty good shape as far as Christmas goes. What about you? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what you think. Am I going to be able to flip any of these things? How much do you think I'm going to get for the cauldron? Stay tuned to find out. Stay tuned to find out.